These are mulberries, and today we are going to make mulberry jelly and mulberry syrup. Oh, and a little side note, when you're out there picking mulberries, make sure you're wearing shoes, sandals or something, because otherwise the bottom of your feet will turn black and it will stay black for quite some time. We're back inside and I am getting ready to prepare jelly at first, and obviously I picked a lot more than I really need, but we'll see where it takes us. So first up, we are going to measure out approximately 2 cups. I'm just going to manually take it, and the reason why I'm only doing so little is because I realized I only had a partial. I'm going to use this short gel, and I only have half a package left. I'm going to have to actually go to ShopRite or the local grocery store one of these days and actually buy another one. Then maybe actually today I'm going to do this. Actually. All right, so there's one. And there is 2. And first thing, I'm going to have to wash it very well. And then also, I don't know if you can see these little stems here. I'm going to pull those stems off. Now this is mostly from washing it, because I picked them from the tree, not from the ground. So it's mostly like the dust and dirt, grime, that kind of deal we're washing off. I mean, I don't use any pesticides or insecticides, so we should be good in that front. And that's also the main reason why why one should never pick up berries from the ground is if you're living in an area where you have, for example, hedgehogs or foxes or any animals like that, you might, they might be infected with rabies, and nobody really wants to catch that disease. And you can actually contract it by just touching feces, and that's why you should never pick fruit off the ground. You should always pick it from the tree. I just noticed that the stems, well, this one came off easily. Of course, that's the demonstration effect, but I'm going to use scissors if I can just like pull it off easily. Now see, this one does not come off. So I'm finally done clearing out the stems, and we're putting this in the pan. And we also need pectin. So I'm using half a package of pectin because I already used the other half at another occasion. Make sure everything comes out here. And now we're just bringing it to a boil. Just try to keep stirring. We're also adding in 2 cups of sugar. And now we're going to bring it to a rolling boil. I'm also adding about a 1/4 cup of water. Now to break up the berries, because they seem to be a little bit rough, I am actually using a mixer. Actually, the word is an immersion blender, not a mixer. Over the past year or so, I have been saving empty, different kind of glass jars, and that's what I'm going to be using. I have already sterilized and cleaned them, and we are going to use those for the gel. So it is boiling, and they say if stirring doesn't stop the boiling, then you give it another minute and it's done. And that's definitely the case in our situation here. I keep confusing or forgetting the word. It's actually jam what we're making, not jelly or anything, because we're leaving the seeds in. I'm not filtering or doing anything else to it. I'm just cooking it as it is, and then we're filling it up. One more thing we have to remember, always put a spoon in the glass, because otherwise the glass is going to crack, because the jelly is really, really hot. And we're getting ready to pour it right now. Turning off the stove. So we are making it as full as possible. I wish I had another small one. I thought I did.
And why are the spoons in again?
So the glass doesn't crack.
Why would it crack? Because it's hot?
Correct.
And how does the spoon stop it from cracking?
I think it guides the heat or whatever out. Or it distributes or something. But
remember to put the spoon.
A spoon in there, it does not crack.
Put the spoon in.
So let me get the last bit of thing out here. So you see it has a similar consistency and it looks very similar to blackberry, but it's mulberry. So
is it
as
better?
A next step, hold on. Yeah, I mean it's just a different. Technically, mulberry is not a berry; it's actually a fruit. So we're pulling this out now. All right. And the next thing we're doing is we have to make sure this is as clean as possible here. On top. I shouldn't have spilled it. And now we are shutting it and we are dumping it. So whatever was not sterilized prior is definitely now sterilized. Again, make sure the rim is clean. We're shutting this again tight. We can even try to push this down. Oh, it's so hot. There we go. And the last one. Unfortunately, I couldn't really fill it, so this will be the first one that we're going to use.
And that is hot.
Yeah, it's scorching hot.
And you just holding it like that? Dang.
All right, so I'm putting it like that. There we go.
Bang, bang.
So my son Tobias is making a PB&J sandwich, and he's actually going to use that freshly made mulberry jam. Yep. Smush that down. Yeah. Ow. What happened? Is it still hot?
Yeah.
Action, go.
Okay. Yeah. It's really good. in the inside. I mean, like, it's not like I did anything special. So.
Alrighty. So is it like regular jam or just,
Yeah, it's just.
to me it tastes like blackberry, doesn't it?
No, blackberries are more strong.
Okay.
A little bit more strong.
It's very subtle, isn't it?
No, not really. Blackberries, yes, but this is like, it's a soft.
Okay. Alrighty. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up. 5 jams out of 5 would eat again.
Woohoo! Alright. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like if you like what you saw, and subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye!
Yeah.